Let's move on with very short answer questions. From now on, I will give you 5 seconds to read the question, after which I'll solve it. All right. Look at the question given on your screen. Now for this question, we are going to substitute y is equal to minus 2x in this equation. If you substitute it, you will get 3 times x square minus 2kx square plus 8x square is equal to 0. Okay. For all the values of y, you are going to substitute minus 2x. That's what you are going to get after you substitute it. Now, if you take x square common, or if you eliminate x square, what remains is 3 minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. That is equal to 2k, which means the value of k is 11 upon 2. That is the answer. Next question. Now we know the derivative of sine theta is cos theta d theta. That is the derivative of sine theta. Now theta in our case is x squared plus x. So derivative of sine x square plus x should be equal to cos x square plus x times derivative of x square plus x. The derivative of x square is 2x. The derivative of x is 1. So it is 2x plus 1 times cos x square plus x. Next question. Does inverse exist? For inverse to exist, the determinant of A should not be equal to 0, which means it should not be singular. It should be a non-singular matrix. So the determinant of A should not be equal to 0, or it should also not be equal to infinity, or it should not be not defined. It should not be 0, it should not be equal to infinity. Now, what is the determinant of A? That is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec squared theta, that is 1 upon cos square theta. Okay, so cos square theta's range is between minus 1. Cos theta's range is always between minus 1 to 1. So cos square theta will always be positive. It will be between 0 and 1. So it cannot be equal to, cos theta can never be equal to infinity, which means sec theta cannot be equal to 0. So in that way we can say that my determinant of A or matrix A is non-singular, which means inverse exists. But for some values of theta, cos theta may go to 0. And if cos theta goes to 0, cos square theta will also go to 0. For example, if theta is equal to 90 degree, cos theta will be equal to 0. If cos theta is equal to 0, 1 upon cos theta will be equal to infinite, which means sec squared theta will also become equal to infinite. So for these angles, inverse will not exist.